So, Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In this session, we will discuss how to convert a continuous variable into a categorical variable. As we can see here, in this variable view, we have a number of variables. Some of them, they are in the categorical form like the hospital name, gender, discipline, and some are in continuous form like the age, height, weight, experiences in years, working hours, postures, or so. And now we have to convert this continuous variable into a categorical form. Suppose we want to convert the variable, this variable which is in the continuous form, and this is in the experience in years, we want to convert it into the categorical form. So for that, we will go to and we will click on the transform, and then there are two options: record into same variables, record into different variables. I will always recommend that you go for the record into different variables and never go for the record into same variables. As if we click on the record into different variables, by doing this, you will have both the variables in the continuous as well as in the categorical form. So by clicking on the record into different variables, the existing continuous form variable there will be in its own place, and a new variable will be made with the categorical form. And if we click on the record into same variable, so this existing continuous variable will be replaced by the new categorical variable. So that's why if we have the variable in the categorical form, so then we will never calculate its mean, its standard deviation, its minimum and maximum. While if it is in the continuous, so we can calculate all these parameters of it. So that's why. So to convert it into a categorical variable, we will click and the record into different variables. Here we already have one variable. Suppose if we have converted a previous, so we will just uh, remove that from the list. Here we will shift the new variable which you want to convert, and this is the experience of years. We will give the name to the variable, to the new variable which is in the categorical, and we will just name, suppose, the experience in years, in which is categorical, and we will just click on the change. So we can see here now there's this is the existing variable which is experience here, and this will be the new variables. So we will click on the old and new values. You will remove the previous conversions. Now, if we calculate the minimum and maximum values, so we have already calculated, and we know that from that, uh, before that, we will just go there. You can see here that the minimum year of experience is 1 and the maximum experience is 30, and many of the participants here, they are in the initial 10, or if this is, they have the experience between 1 to 10 years, and very less of the participants, they are between the 11 and 20 years, and then more or less than the two decile, they are present here in the 20 to 30. So we know that the minimum is the 1 year and the maximum is 30. So we will just divide the different categories according to that. So transform then record into different variables. Here we already have one, so we will remove that one. We will shift the new one which we want to convert. We will name them, and that will be the experience and years categorical Click on change. What are the new variables? Remove the previous conversion. If you have converted previously some of the variables, so you have to remove them because we have to convert the new variable from the start. So now there are two methods. You can also start from the range through the list, or you can start from the range. I am clicking on the range, so from the year of experience ranging from 1 to, suppose we are writing the 6, that will give me that will be equal to 1, and click on the add. Then the next, that is, will be from the 7 to the 14, click, and that will be equal to 2. Then the next will be 21, and click on the, and 3, and click on the add. Then 22, and through the last, which is, suppose we will write just 32, the maximum is 30, but we will click on the 32, they will be all equal to 4. Now what does it mean? We are just giving command to the SPSS that the participants who have the experience from 1 to 6 years, they all will be equal to 1, and since the second range will be equal to 2, the third will be 3, and the fourth one will be 4. Continue, and we'll click on the OK. Now we will go to the variable view, and we can see here that we have a new variable, which is the experience in years in the categorical form. We will reduce the decimal, and we'll click on this here just to add the values. With the one value which was equal to from 1 to 6 years, click on the add. The 2 was equal to 7 to 14 years, click on the add. The 3 was equal to, and 5 to 21 years, and the last one was equal to 22 to 32 are higher than 22. You can also click on the that higher through value, the 22 are higher, click on the 4, and then add, and OK. Now this is in the categorical form. Experience in years in categorical 1 to 6, 1 to 6, 7 to 4, and if we click on here, the values and labels option. So you can see here 1, 1, 2, which we have given the values. So that is the all. Very simply we can convert the categorical and the continuous into categorical. Now we have the categorical form as well. This is the experience in years categorical, and we have the that same variable in the continue form as well, and that is here experience in years 5 to 8, 5, 3, 6, 20. So that is all about a conversion of a continuous variable into a categorical variable, or how to convert a numerical variable into a qualitative variable, a categorical variable. Thank you so much to all of you.